What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Whitney Bow channel, and today I will be taking you guys on a journey of when I started to farm my own vegetables in my yard. So from this quarantine start, I take up myself and start the farming, like clean up one part of my yard, dig it up and all that, and then buy some seeds and I sow them. I sowed cabbage, pop choy, carrot, lettuce and cucumber and scallion, but me never buy no scallion seed. Me just see them, and like you know, say when I go market, you see like some look old scallion pan the ground and take them up and plant them over. So yeah, that's what I do. So today, I found some old clips in my phone of me planting or sowing the seeds. So we're not gonna see all of that, and when they start to shoot and when they get little big. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified when we post a next video. I don't know why I do this hunting, but yeah, you just stay with me. Yes, so this are melon, sweet pepper, then now come up and ended. Ginger, melon, cabbage, carrot, pop choy. Don't know, big farmer. So guys, these are the cucumber. These are the results. And there, and there. So this is the cucumber grown.
So you want the melon?
Guys, so see the cabbage them here now. We transplant them and put them in the ground. So there it is, the cabbage. Yes, look on the pop chow, them are going. Yes, people. You see pop chow them. See carrot them here. So, you look like your pop chow then so ready. and that's the callaloo, spinach, tomato. Lemon. Guys, so these are some of the pop choy that I transplanted day before yesterday, and I can't believe Miss Wanya made a group. So yeah, that's basically it. So now, I water the cabbage. I hear dog them in the background. Now, I'm going to water the cucumber. Yeah. Don't move it. Tell her what I do. Huh? Tell her what I do. Now guys, she's watering the plants. Wow, look at the pop chow. Pretty. She's giving them water. They look nice, don't it guys? Yes, soon ready to eat. Oh. Wow. Yeah, the water finished. And she's going back to get some more water. Yes guys, she's back. And she's watering them. Wow, she's watering the carrot. Look at the carrot, so pretty. The water mash them down. Uh-oh. Water mash them down, but they soon come up back. Uh-oh. Looking great, don't it? And that is the spinach. She watering the spinach. And her little callaloo. Water done again, so she have to go back again. Oh my. That's how it goes when you turn a farmer, you know. You see? When you're a farmer and you want your ground to look nice, you have to take care of it. But if you don't take care of the ground, then you won't get nothing from it. So she wants her ground to look nice. And when her vegetable come up, they will look able. So she's taking care of her ground. That's nice. Nice of her. Come on girl, come with the water. Take too long. Yes, she's back now. Back in the field. Oh, Whitney Boo. Go ahead, girl. Wow, she's watering the callaloo. And the callaloo and the scallion. Take care of water the callaloo again, and the scallion and the callaloo and the spinach and the carrot and the pop chow. Wow. Nice farmer girl.
And she's going to water the lettuce. Is the tomato, she's watering the tomato. Hopefully when the tomato come, just watch the man. This is melon. And I'm watering the melon. You see it look nice? Pretty down. Oh.
Yep, some of their roots up. Scallion. Okay, next one. So guys, that was the end of today's video, and please guys, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and remember to turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified when I post our next video.